So I made this delicious cupcake for my family. They love it so much, so I thought to share with you. Let me show you how to make it. You need 2 eggs and then 2 bananas, and you're also going to need some cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, and a pinch of salt. You need some softened butter, about 4 tablespoons of it, and then you're also going to be needing sugar. Very important, you need sugar. This is about 1/2 cup of sugar, then a pinch of baking powder, then your flour. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to go ahead to add in the butter, and then I will go in with my sugar. I will stir on that until everything comes together beautifully. Now when you start mixing, it's going to be tough, but don't worry, keep mixing and shaking it off. It will get softer and everything will be okay. So welcome to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time, you're highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting. God bless you all, and I do appreciate your support. I do not take it for granted. Once everything I've mixed very well, I'll go in with my 2 eggs and beat that very well again. Add in water that I rinsed the bowl with, and then I am going to go ahead and mix it very well. After about a minute of mixing, I will go in with my flour and the baking powder, going with the nutmeg, cinnamon, and the salt earlier. Mix a bit, then start to stir that until everything comes together beautifully and a little bit thick, not too loose, just this way that you see me mixing here. Because we are going to be adding banana, that is why it should be a little bit thick. Then I'll go in with my banana. I'm going to then mix it just this way. Use spatula this time and mix it. You don't want to over mix your banana, so that is why I am using spatula. Gently stir that in until everything is well mixed in. Don't mix it too hard, be gentle on it at this point. Set that aside, and you're going to bring in your cupcake tray. Then just put in your cupcakes wraps here. You want to layer it gently. I'll be using this one that I got from, I think, Poundland, or I can't even remember where I get that, but look for any shop that they sell cupcake wraps and just put them in, or you can use just the tray like that. Put more butter in it and then layer it, and then put in your butter. I mean, it's going to still be okay, but I will be using this one for easy baking. I will recommend that too. So once I'm done, I'll scoop everything into the cups, just the way you're seeing me doing here. I use spatula for easy measurement, so it will come out easily. Once I am done, I am not finished yet. We'll add in a bit of banana that I just sliced on every of them, and once we're done, shake it a bit, put it straight into your oven for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, this is the beautiful and yummy cupcake that we have. Look at how good this is looking. The bananas, they came out a little bit dried, so that was very good because it will stay for a little bit longer. Can you see that? And the cupcake looks so good, tasted so tasty and absolutely yummy. Look at that. If you mix your banana too much, it might not give you this result, so just be gentle with mixing and stirring when you're doing that. If you do this for your kid, they're going to absolutely enjoy it. I just brought it out. I'm keeping it here so that it will cool down a little bit before we open. If you open it immediately, it will just keep breaking off and off. I just want it to cool down for at least about 10 to 15 minutes before we get that out and then open it. Okay, so just wait a second. So few minutes later, I pull this out and we'll start opening it. You can see it's still a little bit sticky, but it was still fine. When it cools down completely, it will get better. You just peel it off easily. Open it up and look at this fluffy, delicious goodness that we have. Look at that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.